the youth who are going to find job has to die? No. I've seen, we went to the world of the dead, and these 6 people, after the 8 people, the plane crash, some other people died in the sea with the pontoon. Why the ghosts of the Ghanaians are crying? I know when you cry, say, make a tell Muhammad. Now, who prepared to Mansoa? Who could now, what change the constitution? Elvis Ankara, Minister of Information. And then, from so now, I give a this advice to His Excellency, the President of the Republic of Ghana. It must be a compulsory for every Ghanaian, either male or female, by 18 years, they should join military for discipline, for knowledge, wisdom, and understanding, for enlightenment, not of purchase. Betriaka, Niaka Osuda. When they say Nipa 60,000, when the 60,000 meet, is it not what? A mystical stampede? Mystical stampede. 60,000 meet. Ghanaians